What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Al Gaming back with another gameplay video. Alright, I'm on this Insurgency Sandstorm. What y'all know about that? Yo, this game is so underrated. I feel like it needs to be up there with the Call of Duties, the Battlefields. Alright guys, come on now. Come on.
Hey,
Yeah, this game is extremely underrated. You know, bro, look at the graphics, look at the gameplay, look at the how smooth everything is with this game. And I feel like it don't get the love it deserves. Get the fuck out there. Oh my god. But yeah, I feel like it don't get the love it deserves, man. But it has a decent community, so I guess it has a core community. So I'm just gonna capture B. So I'm catching bodies. I'm gonna try to catch some bodies. It depends on if you got good teammates on this game. You know, what the fuck? It's a mill sim, so it's not a lot of. Oh my bad. Oh yeah, I'm about to fuck somebody up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh wow. It's a military simulation, so it's not the fast-paced Battlefield in Call of Duty type games, but it's still fun. Like, it's more of a slower paced, tactical, skill-based type of thing. You're not about to just run around this motherfucker like Rambo, guns blazing. No, that's not gonna happen. You are going to get clapped, just like I just clapped him. And somebody is creeping. Oh, that's his body. Whoa. I'm about to. Yo, who did he think he was, bro? He was feeling a type of way, huh? Very, very fun game, man. Oh, he got sprayed. You know, there's no numbers. Oh, that's the same guy. Oh man, he got me. There's no numbers jumping up when you're shooting people. You know, none of that jazz. Nothing is wrong with that, but this is more of a realistic type of game. And that's what you want, man. You want the realism sometimes. At least I want it. What is he doing? Oh my god, guy, what are you doing? So yeah, if it's your first time watching me, if you're new to the channel, man, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, come hang out with your boy Just Al Gaming. Talk to me in the comments. I talk back. Let's see. Come on guys, capture the bases, capture the bases, capture the bases, man. This is one of my favorite game modes, domination. But if you're playing with randoms, they don't play the objectives, man, and that gets on my nerves.
Hey, we have enemy at sea. We're capturing B.
Because we're supposed to be winning right now. I'm 6-2. I'm at the top of the list, but we need to get objectives. Alright, we got C. Oh. Got you, buddy. Oh, I didn't get him. He's not dead. He's about to be dead. Watch this. He's still hiding. Oh, he's dead. Oh, I ran out of fucking bullets. Yo, I ran out of ammo. Crazy. Crazy. That was an easy kill, man. I could have smoked his ass. Yo, who's that? Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, that's how we feeling. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. He got dropped. Okay, yeah, so I'm not going. Whoa. Everybody just calm down. Sheesh. Man, that's crazy. Okay, let me just slow it down, relax a bit, and listen. Another thing about this game, you have to have good headphones. You have to hear the footsteps. Whoa, what the fuck? Somebody shot me. Jesus Christ, did I kill him? I did not get that kill.
We have captured C! Be clear!
So we need to take over A. A seems like it's our biggest battle. So, no, get down with that bullshit, buddy. Oh my aim, Jesus Christ. Yo, with this game, these guns feel so realistic, like with the recoil and all that jazz. Let's go up here. I don't really know this map that well. I like this map, but I haven't learned it yet. Not completely. Oh shit, my bad, buddy. My bad, buddy. You just can't be sneaking up on me like that. Oh. Oh wow. All right, so we need to get objectives. They have all of them, man. What are y'all doing, bro? Fuck out of here, buddy. Get your ass out of here. Come on. Okay, somebody's camping like a motherfucker. Where are you, buddy? Where are you? I don't even see anybody. Okay, I'm at C. Why am I the only one at C, man? Come on, bro. Somebody's running up. All right, we got all three. Can we hold this shit down? Let's hold it down. Oh shit. What the fuck? Did y'all see that grenade land right by my fucking kneecap? Get the fuck back. Stupid. Yo, that was crazy. That shit landed right here. Oh my god. Ah man, I moved. I should have stayed there. All right, guys.
They captured C.
Bro, we have to get those two back.
Throwing grenade! Other!
We have to get those two back.
Okay, I'm... Enemy there!
Oh, man. Come on.
Beam's clear!
No, we're too close. Yeah, okay, we're looking good. Looking good, looking good, looking good.
Enemy captured A!
No, no, no. We have to get A back. Or C. A or C. Let's go back to C. Go back to C. We have to get C right now if we're gonna win. Get the fuck down. Fuck. Oh my god. No. Okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. It's over with. We got the dub.
I'm ready to go. I'm all right.
That's how you do it. I played pretty shitty, 12 and 12, but I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it.